Have you ever wanted to have a side hustle doing something that brings you joy? You've just stumbled across your ideal job. Just watch the video all the way through, and if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you can learn the latest ways to make money online. Now let's get started. Want to get paid for your photos? Well, I discovered a free app called Be My Eye. Be My Eye is a survey app that works with large brands like Nestle, Samsung, or L'Oreal, providing data on how their products are displayed in stores. They need people like you to collect the information and pay you for that. Pick your mission. Available missions are displayed on a list or on a map. You'll see how much they are rewarded and how much time they take to complete, and you'll be able to read their instructions in advance. If there is a mission that interests you, simply click on ebook the mission before someone else does. You will find different types of missions in the app, a few requiring specific skills and thus being rewarded more money. Some missions will need you to speak with the store's staff and report their advice. Others will ask you to photograph the shelves of an entire category using our shelf scanner feature. But most missions will only require you to take a few pictures and answer a few questions. Store check missions. Go to a store, answer a few questions and take a few pictures, that's all. Shelf scanner missions. Photograph the shelves of an entire category in a specific but 100% guided way. Mystery shopping missions. Speak with the store's staff to know which brands or products they recommend. Geolocation missions. Look for specific kinds of stores or locations. Every time you see one, just add a pin on the map. Outdoor missions. Hit the street and photograph outdoor elements like billboards or storefronts. At-home missions. Answer questions related to what you see on TV, what you think of a brand or product. Complete the task within the app. Everything is done through the app, you'll just need to follow the instructions step by step. At the end of the questionnaire, simply click Finish Mission to send your report. After sending your report, it will be transferred to validation team that will verify it as fast as possible. Once approved, they will send the reward to your Be My Eye wallet. You'll then be able to transfer the money to your bank account or to your PayPal account in just one click. You will receive an average of $5 for a 10-minute mission. Some mini jobs can earn you up to $25. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, comment saying, I like it. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and check out also other videos for more making money methods. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.